Hello everybody and welcome back to another video where I am reviewing the all new Altroz XM Plus variant, which is priced at 6.6 lakhs ex-showroom. Do note that this XM Plus variant is available only with the petrol engine option and is not offered with the diesel engine. So in this video, I am going to first let you know what are the extra things that you will be getting for the 30,000 premium that you pay over the regular XM variant, and also drive the 1.2 liter petrol engine and let you know how it feels to drive it on our Indian road conditions. But before I go ahead, I kindly request you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, which would give us a loads of encouragement to create more such content. Speaking about the design elements at the front, you'll notice the beautifully designed headlamps that get the halogen bulb inside them for both high beam as well as for the low beam. There is even a chrome strip that connects both the ends of the vehicle and gives this vehicle a sort of smiley face at the front. And just above the headlamps, you'll also notice there is a continuation of the black strip to make this car look more appealing from the front. Lower down, you will get a neatly designed bumper that gets the housing for fog lamps. Moving to the side, you will notice that the ORVMs are finished in black and there is this black strip that runs just below the window line and gets shorter as it protrudes towards the rear end of the vehicle. You'll also get the 16-inch rims that gets the wheel cap as standard fitment from the company. If you look at the car from the side angle, you will also notice that this vehicle gets a coupe kind of design. Shifting our focus to the rear end of the vehicle, you will notice the swept back tail lamps that gets the halogen bulb inside them once again. And there is this Altroz branding to make the car look more appealing from the rear. But what's missing is that you won't be getting the rear washer as well as the defogger for this variant. Now that you got to know about the exterior design elements of the XM Plus variant, let's shift our focus to the interiors and see what the vehicle has to offer. So the first thing which you'll notice is that the door opens 90 degrees, making it very much easy for ingress and egress. Speaking about the door panel, you will be getting the glossy black treatment for the door handles, and there are the controls for your power windows and the outside rear view mirrors. Step into the cabin and this is where you'll notice the major addition for the XM Plus variant, which is none other than the 7-inch touchscreen unit by Harman. This is the same unit which is found on the top end variant, and the sound quality is awesome. Just below the touchscreen, you will find the air con vents and also the controls for your audio systems. And below which you have the controls for your manual air conditioning unit. You will also find a USB port and a 12-volt socket which would come in handy to charge your mobile phone. Speaking about the instrument cluster, you will be getting the tachometer on the left and the speedometer on the right. And at the center, you have a MID display that shows all the vital information such as the average fuel consumption, distance to empty, and many other details. The quality of the materials used for the dashboard is excellent, and you will be getting the silver treatment for the air con vents, which makes the car very much premium from the inside. Even the key slot is illuminated, making it very much easy to access it even in the pitch dark. Speaking about the rear seat of the Altroz, the legroom is sufficient and even the headroom for a 6-foot tall passenger is just about adequate. But the only downside is that the headrests are not movable. Now coming to the boot space available on offer, this vehicle has a claimed capacity of 345 liters. Do note that the loading lip is high, making it a little bit tedious to load and unload those luggages. Now that you got to know how is the interiors and exteriors of the Altroz XM Plus variant, here I am driving the 1.2 liter petrol unit with the Altroz. Now speaking about the power output from this 1.2 liter motor, the vehicle is capable of producing 84 bhp of power and 130 Newton meters of torque. And do note that this is a 3-cylinder unit and a naturally aspirated one. So therefore, you won't be getting that extra bit of punch that usually you would see with a turbocharged petrol or a diesel motor. That said, the power output is there right from as low as 1500 rpm and there is no sort of lag with it. Now speaking about the fuel efficiency from this 1.2 liter petrol motor, the ARAA has certified that it can deliver up to 19.05 kmpl based on standard testing cycles. Now speaking about the visibility all around, since the XM Plus variant does not get the seat height adjust option, I have almost set this seat to the similar driving position to what XM Plus has to offer, and I must say the visibility all around is really good because you get the large ORVMs and there is this low window line giving you a very good view of the road outside. Now speaking about the main plus points of this Altroz, which happens to be the suspension and the braking that the vehicle has to offer, let me speak about the suspension at the beginning. The company has got the tuning spot on and the vehicle travels over the bad patches with utmost ease, and at the same time it will give you that comfort and relaxed driving experience when you are in slow speeds over the speed breaks. Now the road which I passed just now was filled with potholes, and frankly speaking nothing seeped into the cabin, making it one of the nicest places. Now coming to the second point, which happens to be the braking. Let me just demonstrate it to you. As you saw, there is that bite that the vehicle gives you and assurance that you are going to stop in time in case of emergency braking. Now speaking about what I feel could have been improved though, is that the vehicle could have been a little more refined. That is primarily because this is a 3-cylinder unit that makes a lot of sound. The company has done their level best to keep the sound in check, but there is that little bit of grunt that would seep into the cabin. That said, you will not feel that to be too much of annoying once you get used to the vehicle. Now speaking about the gearbox, this one here is a 5-speed manual unit, and the clutch travel is also pretty smooth. You won't feel that the clutch is too heavy, making it very easy to amble around in the city traffic. What comes as a boon is that since the power delivery is almost linear and available all the time, you don't have to work the gear too much even if you slow down and you are in the higher gear. Let me just demonstrate it to you. I am in the 3rd gear and the vehicle is slowing down to almost 25 kilometers per hour. Now if I have to get a move on again, just press the accelerator pedal and the vehicle picks up speed very effortlessly. So that's how quick the engine responds. If we have a look at the features available on offer with the XM Plus variant, you will be getting the wheel covers, electrically foldable rear view mirrors, 7-inch Harman music system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also the doors that open 90 degrees. And on the safety front, you will be getting 2 airbags, ABS with EBD, corner stability control, and most importantly, Global NCAP has given this vehicle a full 5-star rating. If I have to sum up everything about the Altroz XM Plus variant, I would say it's one of those vehicles which is absolutely a value for money variant in the Altroz lineup. At 6.6 lakhs at showroom, you will be getting the Harman music system, 7-inch touchscreen unit, and all the other things that you would need on a day-to-day basis. And at the same time, on the outside, this car doesn't look too basic. So if you are in the market in search of a premium hatchback that offers you one of the best safety features along with great ride and handling, then the Altroz XM Plus variant is the one that you should look for. So after watching this review, if you are interested in checking out this vehicle and are a resident of Bangalore, then head to Adishakti Cars, who have their showroom in Hebbal opposite to Lumbini Gardens. You can find the contact details on your screen right now, and also the same has been mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into another video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.